number 12, we want to simply write a rule for the translation that you see of this entire triangle. Now you might get that a little confused because don't we write a rule for translations of a single point? Yes, but we can do so for the entire image because the entire image follows the same rule. No matter if I'm looking at going from point A to A prime, or B to B prime, or C to C prime. Because they're part of the same shape, they move, they slide, they translate in the same way. So really you just need to pick one of those original prime points and see how it, or pre-prime points, and see how it moves to its prime point. Let's go from C to C prime. And as you do this, make sure you're double checking that you're starting at the right point. Sometimes people try to find the rule and they're actually going backwards from the prime point to the pre-prime. Okay, so if we go from C and we're moving to C prime, I am shifting. I could either go over and up, or I could go up and over. You have to do it in a specific way. Remember, your coordinates are listed X first, which is the left to right movement, and then your Y. Okay, so I'm going to move first by moving over either left or right, in this case a positive direction right, 3 units. Put a little +3 there. And then I'm going up 1 unit. That's positive, so I'll put +1. Okay, so what we're doing is we're using that X value and we slid it to the right 3 in a positive direction, so that's +3. Then we took the Y value and moved it up 1. Okay, so this is not only the translation rule to go from this point to this point, but it's the translation rule for the entire figure because those figures are similar, because they're congruent. So this same rule of sliding over 3 and up 1 works to get me from A to A prime. Sliding over 3 and up 1 works to get me from B to B prime as well. And actually, any point 3 over 1 up on this figure.